Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iPhone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys iPhone guys security password setting, and today video title is guys how to set face lock on iQoo mobile. Friends, you want to set face lock on your lock screen. So how to set face lock one by one, step by step we will talk about. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your iQoo mobile. Friends, click on security password setting. Friends, you want to on find my device. So friends, you can on find my device and you can use security update. Friends, we can check, we can update from here. Friends, you can see device security, fingerprint lock, face lock. Friends, you want to set fingerprint. So first friends, you will have to set your login password. Same setting with face lock. You want to set face lock. So first of all friends, you will have to set your screen lock. Then friends, you can set your face lock on your device. So first of all, please select your password type, pattern, pin and password. So friends, I will use password, and guys I will enter my name. After enter guys your name, password lock. Friends, confirm, come back. Friends, now click on face lock and friends direct enter your password, and friends after enter password we can set face lock on iQoo mobile. Click here friends, click on start option, and friends show your face here, and friends you can set face lock on your lock screen friends. After show face friends, face lock will set on your device, and friends you can unlock your phone to show your face. So can show your face on your lock screen, and friends you can unlock your phone. When you will show your face, phone will unlock automatic friends. So like that friends, we can set face lock, we can use face lock on iQoo mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.